Hey, check out my book series, Month of Miracles. They're monthly collections of daily affirmations to accelerate you along your spiritual path. Download volumes 1 through 3 for free at www.michaelmiracles.com/ebooks. Hi, I'm Michael Miracles, and I'm going to show you a variation on Sun Salutation A. I'm not just going to show you how to do it, but I'm going to show you how to teach it. And one really important thing, if you're a new teacher, if you've been teaching for a while, the way to really get some power going in your class, to get synchronicity and to achieve some meditation, is to perfectly match each breath with each transition, and then use the breath to stabilize and enhance each pose. And that's essentially what the definition of Vinyasa Yoga is anyway. So let's take a look at the Sun Salutation variation. Breathing in and out through your nose, hear and feel your breath. Downward facing dog. And continue to focus on your breathing as you stabilize your spine. Wrap your shoulders wide. Pull your stomach in, long back. Lift your right leg straight up, breathe in. Step to a low lunge as you exhale, left knee to the floor. Right arm up to the ceiling, breathe in. Reach back for the back wall. Grab your foot if you can, or just reach back if you have your foot. Squeeze your left butt cheek muscle. Kick into your hand. Inhale, peel your chest open. Exhale, hands to the floor. Low lunge, arms up, breathe in. And grab a grip overhead, keep breathing. Stabilize your hips in this variation. Push down through your right heel, squeeze your left butt cheek muscle. Now put a back bend in for the last few breaths. Look back for the back wall. Point to where you're looking at. Lift your chest and stretch your whole front side. Take a huge breath in. Stay in, breathe out. One more. Stretch back with the inhale. Hands down, frame your front foot. Runner stretch, straighten your right leg as you breathe in. Continue to breathe here. Flex your right toes in, contract your right thigh, have your stomach pulled in. Notice what's stretching. Take one more big breath. Shift forward as you exhale all the way. Lift your chin, lift your eyes up, breathe in. Step your feet together, fold forward with a slow exhale. Halfway lift, breathe in. Fold forward, exhale. Go all the way up. Inhale, reach up for the ceiling. Interlace your fingers. Stretch over to your right. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, lift your left side ribs higher. Stretch further to the right as you breathe out. Back to center, breathe in. Stretch up and over to the left, breathe out. Level your hips to the front, level your chest to the front of your mat. Chin away from your chest, eyes forward. Take one more breath. Go deeper with an exhale. Back to center, breathe in. Take hands to your heart, tuck your chin, exhale. Arms up and standing back, bend for a few breaths. Lift up to go back. Keep breathing calmly. Inhale, squeeze your butt, push your hips forward. Exhale. One more breath, reach back. Fold forward. Breathe out all the way. Halfway lift, breathe in. To low push-up, exhale, step back and lower. Upward facing dog, take a huge breath in. Downward facing dog, exhale. Lift your left leg up, breathe in. Step to a low lunge, right knee to the floor. Left arm straight up to the ceiling, breathe in. Reach back for the back wall. Or your back foot. If you have the foot, kick into your hand, and with the exhale, turn across your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your left shoulder. One more breath in. Hands down and frame your foot. Low lunge, arms and chest up, breathe in. Grab a grip overhead again, but slide one finger down so the opposite thumb's on top to even out your strength. Keep supporting your hips with your strong thighs and glute muscles. Keep breathing calm. Take a back bend, look back, point to where you're looking at. Keep your chest lifted, keep breathing right into the center. Take one more full breath, really reach back, inhale. Hands down and frame your foot. Exhale. Straighten your left leg, runner stretch. Breathe in to shift back. Keep breathing. Squeeze your left thigh. Keep your stomach pulled in. Take one more long breath. Shift forward into a lunge. Lift your chin, lift your eyes, breathe in. Step your feet together, fold, exhale all the way. Sweep all the way up, take a huge breath, the lift. Grab a grip, stretch over to your right, exhale. Stretch back to center, breathe in, lift. Stretch over to the left for one exhale. Back to center, breathe in. Take your hands to your heart, tuck your chin. Lift your arms, back bend, breathe in. Fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Straight down to low push-up, one slow breath out. Upward facing dog, take a full breath. Downward facing dog, exhale. Lift your right leg up, breathe in. Step to a lunge, left knee down. Right arm up for just one inhale. Right hand down, frame your foot. Arms up, chest up, breathe in. Maybe take it back. Hands down, frame your foot. Straighten your right leg, breathe in. Shift forward, breathe out. Lift your eyes, lift your chin. Step your feet together, fold, exhale. Halfway lift, breathe in. Fold forward. Go all the way up. Inhale. Stretch to your right. Exhale. Back to center. Breathe in. Stretch to your left. Center. Breathe in. Take your hands to heart. Standing back bend. Breathe in. Lift up and over. Fold forward. Exhale. Halfway lift. Breathe in. Straight down to low push-up, step or float. Upward facing dog, take a full breath. Downward facing dog, exhale. Left leg, lift it up, breathe in. Step, back knee to the floor. Left arm up for just one inhale. Left hand down, breathe out. Arms and chest lift up, take it back, breathe in. Hands back down to frame your foot, breathe out all the way. Straighten your left leg, inhale. Shift forward, exhale. Lift your eyes and chin, breathe in. Feet together, fold forward. Halfway lift, inhale. Fold. All the way up, grab that grip overhead. Stretch over to your right, breathe out. Back to center. Stretch left and exhale. Center, inhale. Hands to your heart to breathe out. Back bend, lift up and over, take a full breath. Fold forward. Halfway lift. Low push-up. Up dog, a huge breath in. Downward facing dog, exhale. And that's what I like to call the around the world sun salutation. Try to integrate it into your practice, try to integrate it into your teaching, and take some notes on how I was cueing the breath and the poses. Hi, yoga friends. Michael Miracles here of michaelmiracles.com. Has yoga had an impact on your life? Are you looking to expand on that connection and maybe even share it with others? Or maybe you just really love what yoga's been doing for you and you want to go deeper. I've taught yoga full-time for over 8 years. I'm in ERYT 500 with the Yoga Alliance, and I've taught over 1,000 classes. I've taken part in 10 trainings, tested all these methods, and figured out what works and what doesn't. All of this has culminated in Unity Vinyasa teacher training. Take control of your yoga practice today and start changing lives. Go to michaelmiracles.com/teacher training for more information.